Hey guys, I am Lisa. Welcome to my channel. It's been more than a month or so. I started using some skincare products from La Organo. I have already done a review on their vitamin C serum. If you have missed it, I will put the link in my description box. Today I have two products from La Organo, their face wash and their face mask, to share with you guys. I have used both of these products a little over a month now. The first one that I'm going to talk is their face wash. This is apple cider vinegar face wash. It is supposed to purify skin, prevent acne and balance skin oils. It has no sulfate, no paraben. It is a 100-gram tube retailing for 499 rupees, and both men and women can use this face wash. So this face wash has apple cider vinegar. Now if you guys have never used apple cider vinegar in your skincare routine, then let me just tell you, it is a very wonderful ingredient to have in your skincare routine. I have used apple cider vinegar around 2-3 years back when I had a lot of breakouts on my skin. I used to use apple cider vinegar on my face diluted with a little bit of water as a toner. So when I saw this face wash that has apple cider vinegar in it, I was very excited to try it. Now apple cider vinegar is known to have anti-inflammatory properties, and also it has antibacterial properties. That means it is going to control the bacteria that causes acne on your skin, and also it is going to regulate the pH level of our skin. Now this face wash also has aloe vera gel, cucumber extract and lot of more ingredients in here that is really hydrating for our skin. Now when it comes to face wash, I look for only 3 things in my face wash. The first thing, it should clean my face properly. It should clean all the dirt and pollution that stick to our skin. Also it should remove all the products that we use on our face. It should clean those things up real nice. Now second thing, it should not be harsh on our skin. It shouldn't dry our skin. You know, sometimes some face wash meant for like oily skin, they tend to strip our skin of all the essential oil and make our skin feel extremely dry around, especially around our cheeks. I have used those kind of face wash before. These are not really good. So, and the third thing is, it should not cause us any breakout. It should not react to our skin. It shouldn't cause any rashes or pimples. These are the only 3 things I look for in a face wash, and thankfully, fortunately, this face wash does it all. It is very gentle on our skin. It cleans my pore very nicely, and it does not make my skin feel extremely dry. And at the same time, it also controls the oil production on our skin. So it is perfect for this summer. This face wash is really good. I am almost done with this tube, and I have already ordered my second one. So this is a gel face wash. As you can see, I take a good amount of this face wash and apply it to my wet face. I do circular motions on my face. As you can see, it is already removing all of my makeup, removed my lipstick and my whatever makeup I had on my face. It really cleanses out our face very nicely. I pat dry my face with a cotton towel. And also this face wash has a very beautiful green apple smell to it that smells so delicious. I really love it. So yeah, I hope you give this face wash a try. You won't regret it. Now coming to the next product, I have a very interesting face mask here. This is La Organo's activated charcoal with Dead Sea mud mask. It is a 100% pure and natural face mask, 100-gram tube, retailing for how much? 599 rupees. Now this face mask has activated charcoal in it. I have already used some products with activated charcoal like nose strip and peel off mask. They are very good. It is very nice for oily skin, and activated charcoal, it is used to clean our pore, to unclog our pores, and also to remove blackhead and whiteheads. I have never used any product with the ingredient Dead Sea mud. Dead Sea mud has therapeutic properties, and also it has healing properties. It will heal your skin and also it will exfoliate your skin. This mask has a lot of other ingredients, hydrating ingredients like rosehip oil, green tea extract, basil oil, glycerin, walnut oil, and a lot of vitamin E, a lot of very good ingredients in here. So I was really excited to try this. According to the directions, you have to use it 2 to 3 times a week. I have used it 2 times a week because you know, it is an exfoliating face mask, so over exfoliation is also not good. They have some other products with activated charcoal also. They have a peel off mask and a scrub also, but I am using this face mask. If you are using face mask, you don't need to use other scrubs and all, you know, you don't want to over exfoliate your skin. This face mask comes in a plastic tub like this. It has a very unique smell to it. You need to get used to the smell. It unclogs my pore, it removes all the dirt and pollution from my face, and it also removes dead skin cell from my face that actually eventually causes acne on our skin. So it is really nice for acne prone skin because it has active ingredients in it. I would suggest, if you have sensitive skin, you should patch test before using this on your face, but it is perfect for oily skin and also very nice for dry skin because it has a lot of hydrating agents in it. Now this face mask gives an instant brightness to my skin. It makes my skin glowy instantly, you know, mostly because it exfoliates our skin. I really loved using this product. It has not caused me any acne or any rashes. It is very safe to use, very gentle product. So after washing my face with the face wash, I apply a thick layer of this face mask to my dry skin. I would leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes until it dries completely, and then I am going to wash it off. While washing it off, I will do circular motions like when you use a scrub. I would scrub my face gently to exfoliate my skin and remove dead skin cells. I wash this off with regular water, not warm or cold water, just regular water. You can see right now my skin looks really bright and has a natural glow to it, and also it does not dry my skin out. Ingredients are really nice. I really loved using this product. I hope you give this a try and let me know in the comment section if you have used it and how was your experience of using these products. These two products together are really very nice for my skin. I have been enjoying using these two products. These are very gentle and they clean out my face. They are perfect for this summer weather, for my oily skin, and control the oil production on my skin. And I absolutely love this mud mask because this gives an instant glow to my face that I really love. I hope you like my reviews today of these two products. If you have used any of these products, share your experience with me. I would really love to hear them. I will catch you guys next week with something new. Until then, take care. Bye bye.